Hello there, welcome to my channel. This is Madhumita. Today I'm here with another makeup video. On this video I'll show you this easy glam party look. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. I will start by moisturizing my skin. For that I'm using Nykaa Naturals Apricot Kernel Facial Oil and applying all over my face. Now for primer, I'm using Inside Cosmetics 3-in-1 Long Lasting Primer and applying all over my face. Now for foundation, I'm using Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Poreless Liquid Foundation Tube Natural Buff and applying all over my face. Then using a damp beauty blender, I'm blending this all. Then for concealer, I'm using Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer Medium and applying under my eyes, on forehead, bridge of my nose, around lips, on chin and on my dark spots. Then again blending all. Now to set this all, I'm using Maybelline New York Fit Me Powder Porcelain and applying all over my face using beauty blender. Now for eyebrow, I'm using Etude House Drawing Eyebrow Dark Brown. So first using its spoolie, I'm brushing my brow hair to give its natural shape. Then lining my brow following its natural hairline and filling all the gaps. Then again brushing brow hair to spread the color evenly. Now using concealer, I'm cleaning my brow edges and I am also applying on my eyelid as eyeshadow base. Then blending it and setting it using powder. Now to contour my face, I'm using Sugar Bronzer Woody Wonder and applying on my cheekbones, on hairline, on jawline and on nose. Now for blush, I'm using this color from Makeup Revolution Contour and Blush Palette and applying on my cheeks and on nose. Now for eyeshadow, I'm using LA Colors Nude Eyeshadow Berry Tall and first taking this shimmer color, I'm applying on my eyelid. Then taking this color, I'm applying it on my crease area using a blending brush. Then slowly blending it. And also applying it on outer V area of my eyelid. Then using a clean blending brush, I'm blending all the edges. Then I'm taking this color Sky from Morphe 35B eyeshadow palette and applying on my lower lash line and blending it properly. I'm also dragging it outside. Then again using a clean blending brush, I'm blending all the edges. Now I'm tightlining my waterline using a sky blue eye pencil. Then using this color from same palette, I'm highlighting my brow bone and inner corner. Then taking the same color, I'm highlighting my face and applying on my cheek, on chin, on nose tip, on bridge of my nose and on forehead. Then applying mascara on my lashes from Maybelline New York Volume Express Hyper Curl Mascara. Now for lips, I'm using Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick Amazonian. Then applying Pack Color Lock Long Lasting Lip Liner Upper Class on the edges. Now to finish this look, I'm using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Setting Spray Seal the Deal. So here is the final look. Please let me know how is this look by commenting down. If you like this video, then please give a big fat thumbs up and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this video. So see you on next video. Till then, stay safe, spread love. Bye bye.